First of all, I am Anna, and especially thank you, Aram, for giving this wonderful opportunity to learn from iPRIMED. And I want to share my experience both for mentally and technically, because as a fresher, we don't have how a tech world works. So after over this 40 days, past 2 weeks, we are under a project, and we literally feel like we are working in a company, and how to meet the deadline, how to meet the client requirements, especially Santosh sir for guiding us. This you gave a lot from beginning to the end, and also Karthik and also Sanuma for making us physically, mentally, and technically fit to be a part of RM teams, and also IST team. RM, you provide us a wonderful technical operations. So it was a very great experience to be with iPrime. So yeah, thank you so much, especially RM teams.